Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. I recently made a mani for a Born Pretty swatch review video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I created a marble and glitter effect for that mani. You'll be able to find some links for products that I've used in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on, and please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. So here's Flexi with the mani I created with the marble and glitter effects. This glitter is a new glitter for me and it is just so sparkly. And I'm going to show you how I created these three nails, so the thumb, index and middle finger. And I'm going to do them on these nail tips. This is the glitter and it is simply stunning. It's a multi-cut mix, so it's got different size bits of glitter in there. There is a link for this in the description box. So I'll also be using a base coat, a white gel polish, a black gel polish, a top coat, a clear builder gel in a bottle. I've also got a plastic scraper for a palette to mix the glitter onto. I've also got a little spoon tool for the glitter, the silicone tool to apply the glitter gel mix, and an old brush for the marble nail and a liner brush for creating the marble lines. So with these nail tips I've used a white buffing block just to remove the surface shine. I find that this just helps me with the gel application. I'm going to take the base coat and apply a nice even thin coat, also making sure that I'm capping the free edge as well. I'll then cure this in my lamp for 30 seconds. I'm using my Sun 5 48 watt UV and LED lamp. I'm applying the base coat as it helps me even more with the application of the gel polish. Now, even though these tips are white, once I've cured the base coat, I'm going to apply a coat of the white gel polish. On Flexi I used 2 coats as they were natural tips that I was using. Again, I'm making sure that the coat is thin and even. White gel polish can be tricky, which is why I use really thin layers. I also do this with black too. Once I've finished applying that, I'll then cure that in my lamp for 60 seconds. With blacks and whites, I tend to cure just a little bit longer so I don't get any wrinkling. Once I've cured the white, I'm going to start with the marble nail, but first I'm going to remove the tacky layer using a wax strip and isopropyl alcohol. So if I bring in the mani tip, underneath this glitter is a faint marble design, and then I've put the tiny lines of glitter over the top of it. So on the scraper I'm going to put down a small bead of the black gel polish, and then I'm going to take my liner brush and I'm going to load up the brush with the black, and then I'm just going to make random lines over the nail tip. With marble nails there is no right or wrong way of working. I think the messier the lines, the better. I'm then going to get my pump bottle of isopropyl alcohol and the old brush, and I'm going to get that brush wet with the isopropyl alcohol and then go over the top of them black gel polish lines to disperse the polish. The more isopropyl alcohol over the gel polish, the lighter the lines will become. If your design is not to your liking, just add some more lines of the gel polish and repeat. It's literally that easy. Once I'm happy with the way that it looks, I'm then going to give that a cure for 30 seconds. Once that's cured, I'm then going to mix up the glitter mix. You could use normal gel top coat. I personally prefer to use a thicker gel like a rubber top coat or a builder gel in a bottle, and this one is my favourite. I've also got my spoon tool and silicone tool. I'm going to put some of the glitter onto the scraper. Now, I don't tend to measure when mixing glitters and gels, I eyeball it. Then just below the glitter, I'm then going to add some of the builder gel in a bottle. I'll just put some down, and if I need any more, I'll just add as I need. Then with the silicone tool, I'm going to take half of the glitter and mix it into the gel. I'm doing it gently as I don't want to get air bubbles into this mix. I'm aiming for the consistency of it needing to move about, but I don't want it runny, but I also don't want it too thick either. I prefer the silicone tool as it's easier to clean and works really well for me for applying the glitter gel mixes. Once I'm happy, I'm going to take that marble nail and I'm just going to apply some random lines of that glitter gel mix using the silicone tool. I like to use the silicone tool as I hate with a passion getting glitter gel out of my brushes. Again, there is no right or wrong way of applying the glitter mix. I just apply to where I think it looks best. If I'm not happy with it, I'll just move it, and it's very easy to move. With the second nail tip, I did a glitter sweep across the nail. I'm keeping my layers of glitter gel really thin. I don't want to add any bulk to the nail, but I'm just moving that glitter mix about until I'm happy with how it looks. I love doing glitter mixes like this, as personally I only use soak off gels, and that's including builder gels in a bottle and builder gels in pots. So this would just soak straight right off. Once I'm happy, I'll add some of the raw glitter over the top, and this will just give that glitter just some added depth. For the third nail, I'm going to create a glitter fade. So I'll apply a bead of the glitter mix onto the nail, and I'm just going to spread this about. You could easily do this with a brush, but again, I just prefer my silicone tool. I'm trying to keep this again thin, but I want full glitter coverage at the top of the nail, and once I get halfway down the nail, I'll then fade this out. For me, sometimes glitter fades work well and others they don't, just like this one. I wasn't quite happy with the finished look. Again, once I've applied the glitter gel mix, I'll then add some raw glitter again over the top. Now with the raw glitter, you could apply it with a brush. This is an old liner brush that's seen better days and works really well for picking up glitter. So I'll just pick some up and pat some into the other nails as well. Now for curing, I'm going to cure this for some extra time because I've mixed the glitter with the gel. And I'm just going to make sure that it's fully cured. So I'm going to be using my 99 low heat mode, which is brilliant for working with builder gels. So these are now fully cured and ready for top coating. You could go in with a couple of layers of your normal gel top coat to smooth over the glitter, probably 2 or 3 coats, or my personal preference is going in with a builder gel in a bottle or a rubber top coat. Because it's much thicker than a normal regular gel top coat, it just means that when you're covering the glitter, it's going to make a much smoother nail and really covering that glitter well. And because this is a soak off builder gel in a bottle, it just soaks straight off, which is brilliant. I am wiping my brush before I put the brush back into the bottle, as another personal hate is glitter in top coats and gels. Boy, does that annoy me. Now once you've cured, you could wipe away the tacky layer and file over the top to make it super smooth and no bumps or lumps or anything before top coating. Now, curing the builder gel in a bottle, I'm going to again cure for the 99 seconds low heat mode, but in an LED 60 seconds, and 2 minutes in a UV is absolutely fine. Now they're cured, and I love this glitter, it's so sparkly. So I'll apply a layer of the no wipe top coat to finish these off with and cure for another 60 seconds. With the Mani on Flexi, I did stamp over the marble nails. So before I added the no wipe top coat, I cleaned the nail with isopropyl alcohol and then stamped and then top coated. I've really enjoyed making these manis, and also the rose gold hollow foil mani as well, and I'll definitely be making some more in the future. Thank you for viewing my marble glitter effect mani tutorial. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. Comment below, I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, thanks for watching and bye.